We just received some fantastic feedback with a glowing 5-star review. And now comes the fun part, sharing it with you. We're happy to say this is just one of many. This is a great example of the customized approach we take with everyone we serve. With our company, you get nothing less than the very best every single time we work with you. It's just one of the many things that sets us apart from our competitors. So, whether you're somebody we haven't seen in a while or new to us, we value everyone new and old and treat them equally with great service. If we can help you or the people you care about, don't hesitate to contact us at the number on your screen. Thank you for spending a bit of time with us. We hope to see you again soon.